We're testing the keypad, so this is how I have it wired here. So now when I just import test keypad here, so then when I press a 1 right now, it'll tell me which column and row I'm in. So as you can see, I got a 0 on C1 and R1 for column 1, and then here's column 2, column 3, column 4. So how this is determined is in my program here, these are my inputs, these are my outputs and inputs here. So to scan, then you get it in a loop here. So this scans the left column, and how this works is that only the one that has a 0, because a 0 makes it so that it's active on column 1, and these here is a 1 and thing. And C2 is a 1 and C3 is a 1, meaning that they are not true right now, they're not on, they're false. So now this works for column 1. So then you have these if not statements. So if I were to press, for example, if I were to press the 1 here, that means that it would go to this if not statement, because technically an if not statement means if it's a 0, it's true. So then if I press it, it would say you got a 0 on column 1 and R1, because I pressed it on column 1, which is 0, and row 1, which is also a 0 when I press the 1 keypad. And it's the same for the rest. And then if not, k-index increments by 1 if it's not true until, and that just determines which that the value you press is going into the correct either like column and row. That's what k-index is for. So, and it's the same for the middle column, that the 0 is active because column 2 is the middle column. And then same thing for the right column. C3 is 0 because that's the one that's on is the right column. And it's the same thing for the if not statement as well. And yeah.